This video covers drawing basic building shapes. This will be useful when you start drawing a city because you'll have an idea of how it goes. Start by placing your ruler low on your paper. Draw a line across for your eye level or horizon line and put a vanishing point at the end of the line on each side. Next up, we'll start drawing the front corner of the building. We want it to cross our eye level line. So place your ruler close to the middle, not quite, and draw a nice long vertical line that crosses your eye level line. Next up, let's turn this into a 2-point perspective box or building by lining up the top of this front line with the vanishing point. Draw quite a ways back. We want to do some work on this side and we need room to work. We'll take it about that far. Go about the same distance on the bottom. So you're lining up your vanishing point, bottom corner, draw this way until you're about right below that line there. Next, draw the back edge of the building, and you want to keep this nice and vertical. You may want to erase a bit here if the lines don't line up. On the other side, we'll make this a bit shorter, lining up the top of the vertical line and the left vanishing point, and repeat on the bottom. Back edge is a vertical line. I'm using my ruler, lining it up with one of the lines I've already drawn to keep it straight. This time I have a bit more that I need to erase on the bottom. I'm going to erase my eye level line inside of the building so I can see it. Great, basic building shape. A lot of buildings have places that dent in on the side, so that's what we're going to work with today, problem solving those dents. So to do this, the first thing you need to do is to draw the opening. What is the opening on the surface of the wall that then is sliding back in? So to do this, start with the front corner, draw a vertical line. From there, you are drawing from the bottom of that vertical to, if you're on the right side of the building, to the right vanishing point. Notice that I'm stopping before I get to the back edge of the building. I'll do the same thing at the top. So top of that front corner, vanishing point on the right, and drawing back. Back edge is vertical. The thing to remember about buildings in 2-point perspective, if it's on the surface on the right side, the receding lines go to the right vanishing point. If it's on the surface of the left side, the lines recede to the left vanishing point. Okay, so next up, because this goes back in, we can see an inside edge. This is like there's a ceiling here we're looking up at, and there's a wall here. And these two surfaces are receding back to the opposite vanishing point. So we can start making this by lining up our ruler with this corner here and the left vanishing point. Don't take it all the way back, just go a short ways like this. Do the same thing with the bottom. This inside quarter right here, left vanishing point. Okay, next up, we'll show the back edge here. So this is going to be a vertical line. I'm sliding the ruler over, making sure it's still lining up in front here, and then I take it straight up and down. Okay, so we can start to see this inside interior wall. You could use this for something that's way up high or down low. We're just doing it kind of straight across here. Okay, so now we need to show the edge between the ceiling here and the back wall here. We'll line our ruler up with this corner and the right vanishing point. Then line it up with the bottom corner and the right vanishing point. The principle that you want to remember as you're building these indents, the lines are going to be either vertical or they're going to the right vanishing point or they're going to the left vanishing point. The vanishing point it goes to depends on which surface it's on. So if it's receding this way, it's going to the left vanishing point. If it's receding this way, it goes to the right. We're just going to draw one more building. I want to show you how you might catch a building that's appearing behind here. So if you have a building that's here behind this one, the bottom of the building can't be in front of it. The bottom of the building has to start up here somewhere. So just draw another vertical line for the front corner of a building. We'll just do a really quick one over here. And just make sure it ends above this line. Okay, next up, same thing that we've been doing before. You're drawing lines receding back to the left vanishing point. We'll just go a short ways this time. And the back edge. Going to erase the horizon line there. Let's make this building look like it disappears behind this one. So a common mistake students make is they continue drawing this side of the building down this way, except that this side of the building is receding away from us in the opposite direction. So we really need to line our ruler up with the right vanishing point from our front corner here. That's the most common mistake I see. And then we stop drawing as soon as you hit the other building. Same thing with the top. Here's our front corner and the right vanishing point. Okay, so now we have how one building would look behind another building.